Season's greetings to all of you throughout Plymouth and eastern North Carolina. My name is Steph, and on behalf of Emerald Owl Productions, we're thrilled for you to enjoy a proper good time at the 2025 National Black Bear Festival's Christmas Laser Light Show. This experience began during COVID as a way to spread a little cheer. And thanks to your enthusiasm, it's become a holiday tradition we absolutely love. This year, we wanted to change it up a bit, so we're trying something new. BYOP, Bring Your Own Props. Totally optional, of course, but brilliant fun if you fancy joining in. Either way, prepare to enjoy new songs and familiar classics. And if you'd like to be part of the show, here are a few inexpensive props to bring along this year. A hula hoop for each participant. Light up bracelets or your mobile with a torch or flashlight. Your finest ugly Christmas sweater. Jingle Bells. And one Frosty the Snowman kit per vehicle. Hat, scarf, carrot, nose, a pipe or pretend one, and most important, a broomstick. We'll tell you during the show when to bring out each item. Can't bring them all? No worries. Just bring whatever you can and you're all sorted. Oh, and best have those cameras ready to capture some smashing moments, and perhaps even a few bonkers memories. We hope you enjoy this year's show and your EOP experience, creating memories and new traditions through epic events. Merry Christmas and Happy Hanukkah!